Hi, my name is James Carlo Marquez. I'm the head of sales of World Class Laminate Incorporated, and I'm based in the Philippines.
First question, sir, tell us about your company and your products.
WCLI is the pioneer manufacturing melamine boards, particle boards, and medium density fiber boards and MDF. And we also offer plywoods, membrane doors, solid surface, phenolic and compact boards in the Philippines. We also have cutting and edging services.
Who are your target markets?
Well, our customers are the interior designers, architects, contractors, and end users in the local construction industry, with world-class boards for their furnitures, cabinets, closets, walls, partitions, and other interior requirements.
Something new that we're going to expect from you this year.
We have a lot in store this year and in next year. We'll be introducing more products, and soon our products will be available everywhere.